Welcome to 4.6 Savage. Today, we're going to be talking about my exhaust. So, we're going to explain what I got here. We got a 3-inch to 2.5-inch downsizer, 2.5 to 1 or to 2-inch. It then goes into like an 18-inch extension pipe, and then goes into a thrush, cherry bomb, thrush glass pack. It will have a turn down at the end of it, as you can see here, the spec for thing, but it will have a turn down. Now I welded these together. My cousin did the welding on Instagram. He was on he's Dustin _Keen, but he welded these for me. Thank you very much. And you know, I gotta say the welds are good. You know, they'll definitely hold up for what I need them to do, and, you know, the glass pack is definitely going to sound good. Hopefully it'll bring me within the legal limit. But anyway, we're basically going to be making side pipes. And as you can see how long this is. And it's welded all the way around. And hopefully we'll be able to get these put in, and we're going to have these clamped at the header and probably have the turn down clamped on, and the turn down is going to be turned sideways, so it's going to be kind of like side pipes. Now, what I'm hoping, these give me really nice sound. I'm not sure of what they're going to sound like, but you think I'm coming off 3-inch. I'm hoping this will give me my back pressure too, so I won't lose as much torque by having these. That's why I'm taking it into 2-inch pipe. That's why glass pack's 2-inch, and that way I still get as much as free flowing, but I still have some of that back pressure, so I can make some low end torque. As for what I'm gonna do for an actual exhaust system, that I'm unsure of. I'm thinking SLP ones, but I'm not sure yet. And I'm just happy to have an exhaust system on it. We're finally getting somewhere. Now go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, be savage.